Okay. Go ahead and download mod. All right, so download Animate Slides. Go ahead and open it up. All right, let's get to work. So on slide 1, apply the shape entrance animation to the slide title and then to the subtitle. Notice that the animation numbers 1 and 2 appear in the left of the animated object. Okay, so I'm going to come over to the Animations tab. All right, shape entrance object. So this is my shape right here. My shapes are these things. Okay, so shape entrance animation. So I'm going to say, I want this one to appear. I want this one to dissolve. And so I've applied 2 now. I selected different shapes. And then I want it to fly in. Okay. But then, what else do I want it to do? Ooh, I want it to have a bold flash. Okay. So if I click animation pane, you'll see now I have these 3 things that I have done. So now I have some effects on this. Okay, I can hide after animation if I want. I could add a sound. Okay. Timing, I could do it on click or with the previous. Okay, triggers as part of sequence and text animations. Okay, so these are all my options to address animations. So I've now created 3, so we can see these 3 here. Okay. All right. So that's slide 1. I've applied 3. So now I'm going to come to slide 3. Okay. Notice the boxes and the left bullet, they're no longer there. So I'm going to repeat this task now for each of these objects, and we will see that when we do it, this is what happens. Okay, so there's now 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it's got these first aspects that have happened, and I've just added another one. All right, thanks, sweetheart. Oh, I appreciate it, baby.
Hey, Mom.
Yeah, babe. Okay, so I'm back in here. All right, so we've selected these on display 3, apply the shape entrance animation to the frog photo. Okay. Okay. So we have slide 3. Okay. So display slide 3, apply the shape entrance to the frog. Frog photo. Let's do that. Okay. And then add the pulse animation. Oh, they want the pulse animation. All right. Let me find the pulse in specific then. Let's see. Am I looking right at it? I don't see it. I might not have it on this particular one. If you have pulse, add pulse. If you don't, yes, I do. Okay, so it's over here. All right, so this is it's an emphasis animation. Okay, so this is after it's already come in. So let's give it a preview. There you go. So it comes in, I've given it its first, which is how does it get here? You know, versus what happens once it's here. Okay, so pulse animation, whatever you want for this one. Copy the animations to the other ones in the path. Okay, so I believe automation pen. We should be able to animation painter, what that does. Okay, so I've clicked animation painter. Okay, and do it again. So let's see what happens. All right, so now I'm going to return, preview the animations, and then preview the entire presentation. So I preview the entire presentation by coming over here and doing slideshow. I'm going to go back to the beginning. Okay, so there's my sound that I added. Okay, here's all my different ways it's coming in. I could have done this a little bit more cohesively. Got a lot going on. All right, but we can confirm that it works. Go ahead and save. And that's this one.